We never run out of things to talk about, and our conversations are always interesting. Apart from being fun, Sarah is also a hardworking and responsible person. She always encourages me to do my best in studies or other activities. We often study together, and I feel motivated when she is around. A true friend is someone who accepts you for who you are, and that's exactly what Sarah does. We have once difference, but we respect and care for each other unconditionally. I feel lucky to have such a wonderful person in my life who makes everything better. In conclusion, my best friend is not just someone I spend time with, she is someone who makes my life richer or more meaningful. I am grateful to have a friend like Sarah, and I hope our friendship lasts forever.